Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby, northern Miami, Mercer, western Logan, northern Dark, northwestern Champaign, Auglaize, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:48 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Salina, moving southeast at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include destructive winds to 80 miles an hour, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Ansonia, New Bremen, New Knoxville, Minster, Cridersville, Wapakoneta, Versailles, Fort Loramie, Dawkins, Bradford, Anna, Waynesfield, Covington, Jackson Center. In addition, Montezuma, State Route 116 at State Route 197, Burkittsville, New Weston, Carthagena, Kossuth, Rossburg, Chickasaw, Bulkhead, North Star, Maria Stein, Buckland, Brock, Osgood, and Yorkshire are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for more substantial shelter. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor and avoid windows. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado